Making textured wall art is one of my favorite things to do. Why? It's inexpensive, it's easy, and allows me to be creative. If you are looking for a fun project to do alone or with family or friends, here are 3 ideas you should try. Here's the first one. If you want to save money on buying a canvas, try buying 2 pieces of foam board and gluing them together. If you already have a canvas, use that instead. To create the texture, spread Drydex spackle across half of your board. This spackle dries quickly, so it's important to work in small sections. You can tell that the spackle is dry when it turns white. You can also use a spreader to help smooth and spread out the spackle. Starting in the corner, take a fork and form arches. This is where you can be as creative as you would like. There's so many shapes you can make. For me, I decided to create arches angled in different directions. Don't worry about being perfect here. If you mess up, you can use a spreader to smooth out the spackle and start again. Can you see yourself doing this project? Hit the like button. Once you have finished the first half, repeat the same process for the second half. Afterwards, I let the spackle dry overnight, and then I sprayed it with a metallic gold. To top it off, I placed it in a frame. Wasn't that easy? If you want to step it up a notch, try this one. Using foam board and an Xacto knife, cut various shapes such as triangles, squares, rectangles, and circles. Next, arrange them on top of the canvas of any size. The larger the canvas, the more shapes it's going to require to cover it. Once you have the shapes arranged the way you like it, glue it to the canvas. Do you need help and guidance on how to decorate your home? Sign up today for my DIY Decorator Coaching Program. Click the link in the description box below and learn more and to get started. Next, spread and cover the entire canvas with spackle. Once you're finished, let it dry overnight. And the final step is to paint it. Take a look at how well these turned out. You want to kick it up another gear? Try this project. Using a spreader or spatula, smooth and spread the spackle across the canvas. Please note that there are several mediums you could use for these projects I have shown. For this particular one, I'm using joint compound. To figure out which medium you like best, try experimenting with a couple of them. Once you have finished covering the entire canvas, let it dry overnight. Next, take a large amount of spackle and smear it across the canvas in small sections to create waves. To define the wave, scrape away some of the spackle on the sides. After the spackle dries, paint the canvas. For this particular piece, I wanted it to be a bright white color. Once the paint dried, I framed it and placed it on the wall. Now tell me, which projects are you planning to try? Let me know in the comment section below. Want to see more videos like this? Check these out.